Are you looking for a site to practice Python? I will tell you about free platforms that can make your Python skill better. HackerRank. HackerRank offers a vast collection of coding challenges of varying difficulty levels, from beginner to advanced. HackerRank is widely used for technical interview preparation. It offers a comprehensive set of coding problems that are commonly asked in technical interviews at major tech companies. Users can earn badges and certificates as they complete challenges and improve their skills, which can be valuable for showcasing their expertise to potential employers. Users can discuss problems, solutions, and share their knowledge with the HackerRank community. It's completely free. Exercism.io. The platform offers a curated set of coding exercises for Python and other languages. These exercises range in complexity and cover various aspects of the language, from basic syntax to more advanced topics. Exercism.io promotes an iterative learning approach. Learning starts with a simple exercise and gradually progresses to more challenging ones. One of the unique features of Exercism.io is that its mentorship program. Learners can submit their solutions for review by experienced mentors who provide feedback and guidance to help learners improve their code. Exercism.io has an active and supportive community of learners and mentors. Learners can discuss exercises, ask questions, and collaborate with others on solving problems. Users can track their progress as they complete exercises and see their skills improve over time. Badges and achievements are awarded for reaching milestones. Exercism is free for all people everywhere. Code Wars. Code Wars is an online platform that offers a gamified approach to learning and improving programming skills through coding challenges known as kata. A code kata is a software development exercise in which the focus is not on solving a task or problem, but on learning new skills and developing successful routines. For each code kata, several solutions have to be found in order to learn from mistakes, gain experience, and develop even better solutions. These challenges come in various difficulty levels, ranging from very easy to extremely hard. Code Wars has an active community of developers who can discuss kata, share solutions, and provide feedback on each other's code. This collaborative aspect fosters learning and improvement. After submitting a solution, other users can review and comment on your code, suggesting improvements or alternative approaches. This peer review process helps you learn from others and refine your coding skills. Code Wars recognize top performance and contributors with honor points and mentions on the platform. It's a free platform. Subscribe to me and I will continue sharing valuable content.